Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do this cosplay makeup tutorial. For my first cosplay look, I chose Botan from Yu Yu Hakusho. I know, the hair is a bit off, but that's the only wig I could find. It's my first cosplay tutorial after all. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Firstly, I'm going to clean the skincare residue that was left on my brows. I'm going to tell you why in a bit. Braiding my hair in two sections so it's easier to put inside the hairnet. This look was requested by JESSA. She makes vlogs about her family and her life here in Australia. If you want to check her channel, I'll leave the link down below. I'm going to use Loreal Colorista to color my hairline. Then I'm going to apply Elmer's glue on my brows. This allows you to get a perfectly smooth surface where your eyebrow hair will normally stick out. I'm going to layer it 3 times. Don't worry, the purple color will disappear once the glue is dry. This trick was first developed by drag performers. Setting it with Maybelline MasterFix setting powder. To cover my brows, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. I'm using MAC Pro Longwear again for my concealer and eye primer. Setting it with the same powder. To create new eyebrows, I'm using L'Oreal Paradise Pomade. Then applying a bit of Benefit Highbrow on my brows before putting blue eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes. To create bigger eyes, I'm going to draw a new upper lid using Maybelline Crayon Khol Eyeliner and Maybelline Hypersharp Wing. I'm going to draw a new upper lid fold using Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner and Maybelline Hypersharp Wing. To create shadow, I'm going to apply dark and light brown eyeshadow on the line. Doing the same thing on the lower eyelid. To highlight the lid, I'm going to use a light skin color eyeshadow. For contour, I'm going to use Tarte Clay Play palette. I'm only going to apply it on the jaw area to make my face look more V-shaped. Then to make my nose more cute and small, I'm going to contour it as well. Prepping my lips, I'm going to clean it and apply Lucas PaPaw ointment to moisturize. I'm going to cover it with the same foundation I've used earlier. Anime lips are almost non-existent, so I'm going to use a skin-colored lipstick. Feathering it out. And for the inner part, I'm going to use a mauve colored lipstick. This is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to get notified whenever I upload new video, click that bell button as well. See you in my next video. Bye!